Hi, I'm Adam DeSanctis at the Mortgage Bankers Association. Advocacy is one of the most important ways we shape the future of real estate finance. And this week, we need your voice. Congress is currently considering a major housing package that combines elements of the Road to Housing Act and the Housing for the 21st Century Act. The Senate passed its version, as amended, on March 12th. While it includes several positive steps, there are 4 sections that could unintentionally limit rental housing supply, reduce multifamily financing, add costly requirements for lenders, and place new obligations on the FHA Mutual Mortgage Insurance Fund. The House is now preparing its response, and this is our moment to help ensure those issues are corrected before the bill moves forward. So we're asking you to take one quick but important step. Text MBA Action to 50457 to contact your representative and urge them to repair sections of the Senate bill. It takes less than a minute, and when you take action, you'll automatically join or renew your free MAA membership for the year. Or if you prefer, visit mba.org/MAA to participate in the call to action. Strength in numbers truly matters. When policymakers see a united industry speaking up, they pay attention. Thank you for lending your voice and helping us protect the housing market and the communities we serve.